And I object to dyslexia being called a disability or a difficulty. It's actually my strength.
Yes. It's interesting. I often think of it as the school's disability because it is a disability, but it's not my disability. It's your disability to teach me the way I learn.
And sometimes people say, I suffer with dyslexia. I don't suffer with dyslexia. Society suffers because it doesn't have a good enough understanding of what dyslexia is. It's not a disability. It's not a difficulty. It's a difference. And I would really love to see initially just a change of language around how we talk about disability. I don't suffer with dyslexia. Society suffers because of a lack of understanding of what dyslexia actually is.